Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Coins and Snaps to Watch. Now what we have here are coins that I won in an auction recently. And I know these are interesting coins and I think you will like it if you like old coins as well. Like old coins, so yeah. See what they are. We'll start off with this one. Okay. Oops, let's see how it goes. Oh, it's already broken here anyway, so we'll see what this one is. Oh, it's properly put inside. Okay, yep. See what this one is. Okay, this one is the Festival of Britain, 1951. Very old one. It has its original box. And you see, Festival of Britain. See, it's oops, here we go. Wow, very nice, eh? See the thing. Wow, lovely. So this is a Festival of Britain 1951 coin, and this is a crown, 1 crown. First English silver crown piece that was minted in 1551. 400 years later, on the occasion of the Festival of Britain, the Royal Mint has issued a crown piece, bearing it on its edge the date 1851, 1951 in Roman numeral and a Latin inscription, Cibium Industria Floret Civitas. By the industry of its people, the state flourishes. So this is a commemorative coin, and we can see, very lovely. Uh, Very nice, eh? And see, 5 shillings or 1 crown. This is King George VI, and we can see the inscription on the side. See the date, there in the Roman numeral, and then 1551, and then this one is 1951, and the Latin inscription, Cibicum Industria Floret Civitas. Lovely, very lovely coin. 1951. I don't think they made a lot of this coin, so it's a rare one, eh? Very nice. It's a very nice start. So we'll see. Now we'll see about the other ones. Open this one now. Very nice. Oh wow, okay, yeah. Very nice one. These are old ones, eh? Look. So let's start with the, it's all attached. So just remove it one by one. So here it is. I removed it one by one so we can, we can save time. Right, we'll start with this one. So this coin is a coin from British West Africa, and it's from 1920. Oh wow! So it's 102 years old now. It's a 1 penny. King George the Fifth, Rex at Industry. Uh, yep, it's a 1 penny. Very nice. 102-year-old from British West Africa. I have to do research on which countries are on the British West Africa now, and among the other ones as well. So this one is a Ceylon from 1912. This is a 100-year-old coin, and it's a 10 cent. See the date below, 1912, and the value 10 cent. Country name Ceylon, which is now Sri Lanka. So it is now Sri Lanka, and this is King George the Fifth. We can see King and Emperor of Ceylon. Very nice. It's a small coin, probably around, I don't know, 16 millimeters maybe. And I don't know, maybe it's silver. I haven't checked yet. And this one is a coin from Germany. See, that just reached 1875. It's an old one as well. Very old coin. I don't think this is a silver one. It's still the same. It's 1875 coin, so I know it have value as well. Old coins, they are survivors, and a part of course, our history. 1875. Now this one is from Hungary. 10 pillar from 1895. Very nice look. See, Magyar, Kiraldi, I don't know what it means, but I think Magyar is Hungary. It's 1895. Very old coin. Wow. Okay, this one. Oh, this one is a silver one. See, 2.5 escudos from Portugal, and it's from 1942. But it's a silver coin. See, nice. Very nice patina. And this one is another silver coin, and this one is from South Africa. It's a 3 pence from 1935. You can see South Africa 1935, and then South Africa, I think that's a uh, German language, South Africa or South Africa. See 3D below, or 3 pence. Okay, and it is again from the reign of King George the Fifth. Nice coins. So we have one more here. See what this one is. I'll at the same time I'll just stop it for a while. So yeah, we can see here. I'll just remove it now from the thing. Okay. See what this one is. Oh, still very well wrapped. Very good. Actually, it's good to have it wrapped like that. So these are 3 old coins as well. Wow. Yep. I think I know what this one is. So these are Russian coins. Old coins, precisely old coins. Yes. See, it is taped, so I wouldn't remove it now. But we can see, you can see here. It is old Russian. It's 1 kopeck, and it's from 1911. So 111 years old. 1 kopeck. I don't know. This is minted. I don't know, in St. Petersburg, or I don't know. But we can see the mint mark down there. To do a little research and present it on other videos, I guess. And this one is 1913. 2 kopeck, and yes, we can see the mint mark there below this one. Yep. And yep, the double-headed eagle, the coat of arms of Russia. and this one. Now this is an old one. This is an old coin. I think this is from the reign of Emperor Alexander II. Because I think that is his monogram, royal monogram. Alexander II of Russia. It is from, well, it is, I think it's 1 kopeck as well, and it's from 1864. So now the mint mark below is EM, which I think it is from the Ekaterinburg mint. That one I recognize from Ekaterinburg mint. So yeah, so we have 3 lovely coins from Russia here, and among the other ones that we have here, yep, yeah, very lovely. So nice to have these old coins. These are part of our history or the world history. So it's good to be to having some of this. Now, thank you very much. I hope you all have a good day, and please like and subscribe my channel and click the notification bell so you can be alerted whenever I have new videos to share. So I do collect stamps and coins, and most of it are for you to see. Thank you very much again. I hope you all have a good day.